Market Timing Central is a product of many years of collaboration between the professional traders and professional mathematicians. The result of our mutual work is Market Trader Central service. This service provides unique tools for traders and market analysts. Traders will not find here classical tools like Fibonacci levels, relative strength index, and MACD. Instead, we have developed special indicators that give a deeper view on the stock market. Our unique feature is that we not only explain the market activity in the past, we model stock market behavior, and this insight that is based on a solid mathematical principles is prolonged into the future. So let's look at our service closer. Open our website to www.timingsolution.net. Click on Markets Timing Central icon here. We provide services for a wide variety of financial instruments, stocks, indices, and Forex. You can choose the financial instrument by clicking on one item of this list. For example, France Composite Index, CAC Quarante 40, or click here to see the whole list. Or click on Market Timing Central menu. Choose your item there. Suppose you choose Dow Jones Industrial Index. If you are a registered user, you should get access to all available modules. Otherwise, you can get access to modules associated with a free service. Free forecast service includes 2 weeks of annual forecasts, moon or monthly cycle forecasts, and market profile to specify support resistance levels. Now, let's overview techniques that are used under this service. To get access of any available technique, you should click one of these tabs. The most important tab is Annual Cycle. Here it is. Click here. Here you can see 3 projection lines based on annual cycle. They are colored in red, blue, and green. These 3 curves represent different variations of one and the same annual cycle for your financial instrument. Pay attention to the moments when all 3 lines point in the same direction, like this drop-in in the first decade of October. On the bottom panel, you can see 2 variations of lunar or monthly cycle. Pay attention when both these curves, green and lime, point in the same price action. Annual cycle alone cannot explain the behavior of the stock market as a whole. Due to that fact, we make use of other modules. One of these modules is based on dominant cycles. Here it is. Specially developed technology allows us to reveal the most active cycles and calculate the projection line based on these cycles. As with annual cycle, pay attention when all 3 lines point in the same movement. This is another diagram, multi-frame spectrogram. It shows the period of the most active cycles. Scroll down the window to see it. You see the most active cycles now with 79, 34, 100, etc. calendar days. These are not static cycles. They're changing all the time. Similarity pattern model. It is a forecast based on historical analogies. Here it is. Research the most similar price pattern in the past, like the current period September 2011, is very close to 1966 that is indicated by a red line, as well as 1981 that is shown by a blue line, as well as the green line that it corresponds to the year of 1984. It is also very similar to the current price chart. Thus, using these analogies, we can forecast the future. Here we make use of 3 different analogies. Levels page. Here you can see information about support and resistance levels. And on the last page, known as a chaos model, it shows RNS analysis for a chosen financial instrument. This model allows to specify a kind of financial time set you deal with, persistent or anti-persistent. Here you can calculate a period of stochastic cycle.